Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Jeep Grand Cherokee 2005 to 2010? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 and 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee protects and supplies power to interior systems such as the dashboard, power windows, locks, and interior lighting. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee distributes and protects power for interior features like the instrument panel, power seats, windows, locks, and interior lights. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 and 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee protects and powers interior components such as the dashboard electronics, power windows, door locks, and interior lighting. Engine compartment fuse box. The power distribution center in the 2005 and 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee contains fuses and relays that control and protect high-current systems such as the engine, transmission, lighting, and cooling fans. The integrated power module in the 2005 and 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee combines fuses and relays to manage and protect power distribution to key systems like the engine, lighting, HVAC, and drivetrain. The power distribution center in the 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee houses fuses and relays that distribute and protect electrical power to major systems like the engine, transmission, lighting, and cooling fans. The power distribution center in the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee manages and safeguards electrical power distribution to critical systems such as the engine, transmission, lighting, and cooling fans. The integrated power module in the 2007 and 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee consolidates fuses and relays to control and protect power delivery to essential systems like the engine, lighting, HVAC, and drivetrain. Power Distribution Center in the 2009 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee controls and protects electrical power flow to major vehicle systems including the engine, transmission, lighting, and cooling fans. The integrated power module in the 2009 and 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee centralizes fuses and relays to manage and protect power distribution to critical systems like the engine, lighting, HVAC, and drivetrain.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.